Kabbalah is very interesting. It touches everything. It includes every wisdom in it, in a chain of cause and effect. It goes to the deepest place out of which the real essence of our existence comes. And it's a methodology that gives us access to this level, to a direct connection with what we think of as a divine level, as the deepest level, a level of truth, a level of love. And this wisdom, with all of these connections together, can be attained by a person in the simplest way. The method teaches us how to use the medium that the deepest level has given us, that is, a world and people in it, and especially the relationship between us and others, as the means of enlightenment, as a means of being able to penetrate beyond the appearance of things to that root level on which we meet the Creator and the greater unlimited reality that a certain quality in us completely conceals. This method can be summarized in love your friend as yourself. We reach this inclusive perception of reality actually through the love of others. But how we understand what love is, what that intention, that emotive truth of what we actually feel towards others and what we want with them and for them, is something that one has to learn. But you don't have to go to another planet or another dimension. We don't have to understand the physical level of the sciences to deal with the spiritual science. We only need to understand a true intention in the heart. We need to be trained to do that and to understand the correct value and balance between what our reason says and what our faith or our heart actually says. These things can be learned. They're actual, they're substantive, and one can truly progress and begin to expand their perception of reality through learning this methodology. There are alternate ways of looking at it, of course. It is a science, the most profound science, in which all phenomena in the world can be properly felt and understood. And also we can see what their true basis is. But we don't get there by addressing the spiritual physics first and directly. Those things are only there also in order to teach the heart and for the heart to be able to see through them. The most fundamental part and the most important part is the thing that will also heal the world. It also will get rid of the problems that we're facing now en masse. The wars, the disconnection from each other, the inability to hear each other, and all of the bad things that it's producing, the lies, the basis of society on no truth at all, the complete loss of faith, and a sort of an inner war. What can overcome this? To understand that the basis of our spiritual grasp and the fulfillment of us and everyone else in the world comes through love your friend as yourself, which is a spiritual prescription for the correct attitude and the correct connection to others.